Welcome to Health and Fitness. We will talk about 4 of the best oats options to kickstart your day. Health benefits of oats need no separate introduction. It is loaded with protein, minerals, fiber and several essential nutrients that lay the foundation stone for a fit mind and body. Hence, a bowl of oats makes a healthy breakfast choice for many. This cereal is commonly eaten as oatmeal or rolled oats and has several healthy recipes to its credits. Some popular oats-based breakfast recipes include porridge, cheela, pancake and more. All these dishes are easy, fuss-free and help you put together a quick meal in the time-pressed mornings. Hence, we all love to keep a stash of oats in our kitchen pantry, for whenever we need them. 1. Quaker Oats. This packet of Quaker Oats comes in a mega value pack, with 500 gram extra and can help you prepare a yummy bowl of porridge in just a few minutes. 2. Disano Oats. Disano Oats is made of 100% whole grain oats and is ideal to include in your oats cheela or oats idli recipes. It is also dubbed to a good choice for the ones looking for gluten-free options for their everyday meal. 3. Safola Masala Oats. If you are looking for a quick fix for your hunger pangs, then Safola Masala Oats is the right option for you. This ready-to-eat packet includes spicy masala and the goodness of whole grain oats and vegetables. All you need to do is boil some Safola Masala oats in water and prepare yourself a hearty and wholesome meal in a jiffy. 4. Slurp Farm Organic Cereal. Kids' special meal. This box of oats by Slurp includes no added sugar or preservatives. You can also add the regular flour to give a healthy spin to your chapati or bread. Thanks for watching.